And this is what your Windows 11 25 H2 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 25 H2 and give it a new look. I'll show you step by step how to customize Explorer, Start menu, taskbar and desktop as well. So let's dive into the video. Welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 25 H2. First of all, you have to download and install this software called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. After downloaded, you have to install it. After installation, you will see an interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. First we are going to install Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. Okay, then go to this folder, then go to this start menu folder and copy taskbar styler code, then click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. And then copy taskbar height and icon size code as well. Go to advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Now we have to install Windows 11 Start menu styler. Click on details and install it. And then open start menu and copy this script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, now we have to install this Rainmeter, then click on finish, and here is some default skin. Just right click on it and unload it, then double click on this skin and then click on install and close it. First we're going to hide the desktop icon. Right click on desktop and hide desktop icon and then place your widgets. And then we have to modify it. Just right click on it and click on edit skin and scroll down and make it lower to upper, then click on file and save. And make it 0 and scroll down and then remove this section. Click on delete and then click on file and save and refresh it. Okay, now I'm going to add some acrylic effect on my Windows 11 Explorer. To add some acrylic effect, first unzip this blur mica and then cut this folder, then go to C drive and paste it here, then open it, open config file and show line true to false, then click on file and save, then click on this register button and run it as administrator, then click on yes. Okay, now open your Windhawk again and then search for Explorer styler. Here you can see Windows 11 Explorer styler. Click on details and install it, then click on settings and in theme section, in here you have to select minimal Explorer 11, then click on save. And that's it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 25 H2. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.